Hi there and welcome back to Airstream Facelift by Rad Studio. My name is Tana Radosevich. I'm the principal designer here and we have a fun girl to show you today. She is a 16-foot itty bitty Bambi and she has been done in a very cool Bohemian design. I always find it fun to start with the outside. This little Bambi is so stinking cute. She is only 16 feet, and with the perfect skin that she has, she just looks like this little nugget. I don't know, I'm totally obsessed with these tiny little Bambis, and especially one that looks this excellent outside. So you may have heard me say this before, but every single Airstream facelift gets its own unique door. They always are complementary to what you're going to find inside. Okay, enough about that though. Let's get inside this camper. As we head inside, you're going to see that this unit is very unique. We here at Airstream Facelift by Rad Studio always try to do unique designs so that every single unit has its own personality. We never want you pulling into a campground where someone else has similar design. Additionally, every one of my units is selected first. Once I'm inside the unit, I can then get an idea of the direction I want to go with the design. So every design is completely custom made for the specific Airstream it ends up in. Every Airstream facelift gets a whole new floor. In this unit, we went with vinyl tile because I wanted this really cool, bold look. In a small space like this 16-footer, I wanted to use every area I could to bring in personality. Speaking of personality, check out this beautiful sun wall. So I use wallpaper as a way to bring in art into these units. I got used to the Airstream curved walls not being an ideal spot for art, so wallpaper was my way of bringing it in. It also happens to be my favorite part of every design. So picking upholstery is also super fun for me. In this unit, I decided to go with a leather look vinyl, and it's actually super soft, and it has this bit of rustic look to it. I thought it was perfect for this bohemian design. Custom curtains are also a must for me, especially in the front and sometimes the rear windows of any Airstream. When you have panoramic windows like this, there needs to be a great way to cover them, but also to bring a beautiful color or design in as well. This fabric actually found me. This is the original Airstream table, and it does fold down to make a secondary bed. I also had my electrician hang this beautiful chandelier. It's completely wired in, and all you have to do is flip a switch. While a Bambi kitchen is going to be small, it still has everything that you need. So this unit has a small 2-burner. It's a gas stove, so you can cook all kinds of good stuff there. It also has a convection microwave, so no need for that oven. And of course, it has a pretty decent sized Dometic fridge with a freezer inside. It looks new. All of these appliances did, so I kept them all. Every kitchen, small or large, deserves a beautiful countertop, so this one's no exception. I went with a beautiful Cambria quartz countertop again, one of their luxury series, and this one is a marble inspired look as well, but instead of worrying about stains or chips or scratches, all I have to do is wipe it up and clean it with soap and water. I love quartz for that. I also used a deep stainless sink and a brushed nickel faucet to finish off the look. Every Airstream facelift gets these shades. They're nice and tight and tucked in at the top. They almost disappear. And then when you pull them down for privacy, we have magnets on the back that help them stay tight against the wall. I also put them in the bedroom and most other windows in almost every unit. So let's head into the bedroom. It's nice and cozy back here. It is a full-size bed, and yes, I do have the bed dressed sideways. I do that so you can see the design, but of course you pick one side or the other that you can put your head. There is some cool space here for magazines, and then this bright, beautiful window in the back. I found this awesome valance that works perfectly as a curtain, and then for privacy, I have one of those shades back there so you can have privacy in the bedroom. So behind this sun, you'll find the bathroom. In this unit, it is a wet bath, which means that the toilet and the shower are both in the same area, but it's actually a good-sized bathroom for such a small unit. There's some space for you to put your shampoo and items down here, and then there's some dry storage up behind the medicine cabinet. So it's a great use of space, actually. And just like every Airstream facelift, everything you see here goes with the unit. All the decor, all the bedding, basically everything goes with you when you purchase an Airstream facelift. So there you have it. This is our little Bambi. She's 16 feet long. She's a 2011 Bambi Sport RB, and her name is Star. If you'd like to see more Airstream Facelift by Rad Studio, you can come right here and see lots and lots of designs that we're doing. We always try to be bold, be fun, and be unique. And you'll be able to see what's available for purchase or what's coming down the line. So come on back here, like and subscribe so that you'll be up to date on what's available through Airstream Facelift at Rad Studio. My website is radstudiodesign.com, so have a look.